So hi guys, I'm back here at Robinson's Galleria and I'm gonna check out this newest open restaurant called Denny's. Yeah, Denny's is another restaurant from the Bistro Group and it is a popular brand in the USA, and finally they're open in Cebu. So this diner serves lunch and dinner, brunch, lunch and dinner. So we're gonna have lunch here. I'm with Carrie again, your friendly broker coordinator of Robinson's Land Corporation. So let's check this out. I'm here with Roel, the duty manager here at Denny's. So
thank you for visiting.
So Roel, what's your best seller so far here in Cebu?
Sir, so far we have Denny's famous on lunch.
Yeah. This one?
Yes.
I mean the slams, the lumberjack and the so it's like breakfast.
Filipino dishes for Cebuano. We have beef tapa, then pork belly. Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, I ordered the fried chicken and my friend ordered some waffles.
Alright, thank you. Fried chicken here. I like the level of saltiness. I like the gravy. It's really good fried chicken. It's like a comfort food for me. And yeah, although it's a bit expensive, but for me it's worth it. This is a good place for actually for small meetings. And yeah, it's not too noisy. Although it's crowded, but the food is good. And so far I enjoyed it. Carrie, how about you? Did you enjoy your food?
I hate to say this, Carlo, but the best thing about this diner is the fried chicken.
She stole one of my chickens.
Okay, so I ordered this like pancakes with the hash brown, the American thingy, but the serving is so big, so I opted with the chicken of Carlo. It's so yummy. Trust me guys, if you like Jollibee, you would also like this one.
So thank you for watching guys, and I hope you keep on watching our other episodes of Kalami Cebu Daily.
Bye!
Bye!